Hi everyone, welcome to Race to IAS Current Affairs Guru. Today we are going to see the topic Association of Southeast Asian Nations or the ASEAN. If you are new to the channel, do like, share and subscribe for more updates. ASEAN was recently in news and let's see why. India and the ASEAN countries said they would explore ways to increase trade between them despite India's exit from the 15-nation Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement or the RCEP agreement. The RCEP Free Trade Agreement, which India walked out from a year ago, is expected to be signed on November 15th between China, Australia, South Korea, Japan, New Zealand, and 10 Association of Southeast Asian Nations or the ASEAN nations. So, what is ASEAN and who are the member countries? The Association of Southeast Asian Nations is a regional organization that brings together disparate neighbors to address economic, security, and political issues. It is an intergovernmental organization of 10 Southeast Asian countries, which are they? Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. When and how was ASEAN established? ASEAN was established on 8 August 1967 in Bangkok by the five original member countries, which were Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, and Thailand. Brunei joined on 8 January 1984, Vietnam on 28 July 1995, Laos and Myanmar on 23 July 1997, and Cambodia on 30th April 1999. The motto of the organization is One Vision, One Identity, and One Community. And where is the ASEAN Secretariat located? It is located in Jakarta, Indonesia. All the organizations have certain fundamental principles. The fundamental principles of ASEAN. The Treaty of Amity and Cooperation (TAC) in Southeast Asia, signed at the first ASEAN Summit on 24th February 1976, declared that in their relations with one another, the high contracting parties should be guided by the following fundamental principles: mutual respect for independence, sovereignty, equality, territorial integrity, and national identity of all nations. So, this being a regional cooperation organization, all the nations who are part of the organization should have the mutual respect for the national identity of each other. The right of every state to lead its national existence free from external interference, subversion, or coercion. No member countries should face any force threatening its national existence. Non-interference in the internal affairs of one another. Settlement of differences or disputes by peaceful manner. Renunciation of the threat or use of force and effective cooperation among themselves. So ASEAN is the regional cooperation of the Southeast Asian nations, focusing on cooperation on all spheres and working on the following principles. So let us look at a few questions. The ASEAN Secretariat is located in Bangkok, Cambodia, Jakarta, Brunei. The answer is Jakarta in Indonesia. Which country was the last to join ASEAN in 1999? Brunei, Myanmar, Laos, Cambodia. The answer is Cambodia. Cambodia joined ASEAN on 30th April 1999. Which among the following was not among the five original members of ASEAN? Indonesia, Malaysia, Laos, Thailand. The answer is option C, Laos. And the five original members were Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore, and Philippines. That's all about the topic today. Thank you.